Yo, what's this?
This is a biomonster. Actually, it's a biomass spliced monster? Spliced biomass monster? Something like that. But what it is it's a glyos figure from Onell Design, if I'm not mistaken. And this time, it's in the Rayexx theme. Which, in case you are unaware, is the homage to Fisher-Price adventure people, X-Ray Man and X-Ray Woman. And, yeah, so they're calling it Rayexx. There was also a Rayexx Fade-In, which is their standard figure guy. And, oh my god, trying to get these in the holes is going to be a pain in the ass, isn't it? Rayexx's, or Fade-In, is like their trademark character, more or less. And, you know, they're very good at giving them weird colors. As you can see, he has the kind of X-Ray Man, X-Ray Woman type tampo on there. And luckily, it's painted perfectly. I'm pleased with that. I don't see any errors in that. Hooray! Only error I see on this entire thing, really, as far as paint goes, is... Holy Jesus Christ. Yeah, a little bit of out of the lines there. A little black dot on the yellow, which should be solid. Let's see. The wings are okay. The one blue tentacle it has is okay. Let's see. Arm left, arm right. Okay. Claw left, claw right. Actually, they look like they're the same. Yeah, they're pretty much the same. They're symmetrical, more or less. They're a little bit different, but not much. Yeah, that's good. Oh, and there's a third one. How about that? Yeah, they're good. So far, this company has made Fade-In in this color. They've made the Kabuto Mushi, hornet-looking guy, beetle guy, in this color scheme. They made this guy in this color scheme, and they even have another one that's either come out already or is coming out or something like that as of this video being taped. So in other words, Onell Designs or whatever has done 4 guys in this color scheme, and that's a pity. And I'll tell you why. Because these things are a bitch to get. They're not all that cheap to begin with, you know, being like an underground-y type company of sorts. And they sometimes have horrible distribution. Like, it'll be like, hey, guess what? For like 5 minutes, you'll be able to buy this thing. And it's gone. And you don't see it. And when it comes back again, people are jacking up the cost on it, you know, which really sucks balls. Good God. And I mean, they're cool. Yeah, they're cool. But shit, I mean, doesn't it suck that you want a product, you're willing to pay for a product, but you can't get the product? This was just a lucky dumb thing. You know, it was like near Christmas, and oh, how about that? There's a posability right there. I didn't even notice. Huh? Yeah, halfway down the tentacle, it's posable. This one, not so much. Okay, the blue tentacle doesn't seem to have that, but the clear green ones do. Huh, how about that? Interesting. What was I saying? Yeah, it's like they're kind of hard to find. God, that is like a vagina-y looking eye housing there. Yeah, you turn it upright. All it's missing is a little button. Anyway, I mean, they're cool. I like these. I wonder what I do with this extra peg. And it's just unfortunate that it's so hard to actually get all the ones that you have money in your hand saying, I want to buy this, you know? I mean, it's just kind of shitty in a way. I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's nice when you do find one, but should it really be this hard? Should it? Really? I mean, come on now. Oh my god. Well, I didn't need this thumb anyway. You know, I'm just gonna go the rest of my life thumbless. Ah, oh, fuck. Like, seriously, that hurts. Maybe I'll try a different hole. Always try a different hole. You might find one you like. I'm going in. Oh, you. Oh my god, that hurts so much. Holy shit. Yeah, the nice thing about glyos figures, you can pop the parts out and interchange them any way you want. If you have titanium thumbs and like tendons made of steel cable. Holy fuck pods. Where would that look good? Yeah. Yeah. As much pain, physical, very painful pain to get these attachments in. The nice thing is they're made well, as in they're not breaking. I'm glad they're not breaking. Like, you know, I mean, I can picture this being done by other companies, and like that would start turning white, and you'd be like, well, that was a piece of expensive shit, you know, but that's not happening here, and I'm pleased with that. Even if I'll never be able to pleasure someone with my thumb again. Okay, that's not appropriate. Oh my. As you can probably imagine, it's gonna be a cold day in hell. I'd be switching these parts around. Whew. Shit. It. But yeah, there's a bio monster, biomess spliced Rayexx. Very cool. I do like it. It's got a good look to it. They managed to cram in the X-ray man design. You know, and as you know, the X-ray people had blue hair, and you know they went a little bit artistically off with that, which is fine. You know, because there is no hair, so make the spikes in the wings in a one tentacle blue. That's cool. You know, makes sense. The spikes are... Oh, wait. Are these removable as well? Yes. Yes, the spikes are actually separate pieces as well. So the fact that they are not aligned doesn't matter, because I can realign them. How about that? That's cool. So let's see. This peg, I guess, is for additions when you start mixing it with other figures and stuff. So that's an extra part there. And he still has a hole here and still has a hole here to fill. Boy, this boy's filled with holes. Yeah, the only bad... It's really not bad at all. It just kills your digits. I mean, these thumbs are worthless now. I might as well just cut out any activity in life that has to do with thumbs. But, yeah, how awesome is that shit? I like it. Yeah, here you can see it with the 2018 X-Ray Man. And here's the 1970-something, 1982-ish, I don't know, X-Ray Man and X-Ray Women. Why do I keep saying women? Woman. God. Burnt. A little hard to stand up, but then again, they're from the old days of the action figures. Here's a My Little Pony that has been augmented by me, just because I thought that was funny. Here's a version of Devilman who happens to be somewhat in that same color scheme with the yellow eyes and the same colored of body. Here's a Jarknoid. Yeah, nice name, right? And I have customized it. It is originally in this color, but I've also given him a head off of a Microman figure. Oh, I forget the name. I'll probably pop it up on screen. I actually had to drill up into its head and make it fit the ball joint. I had to use like a round bit, but it worked. I want to say Jarknoid Yeeg. That's the body. I'll figure it out. And here's the bad boy himself. This is another Onell Design Glyos figure, Kabuto Mushi, and they've put it into that same color style, as you can see. Yeah, he's a beetle guy, and he has a bunch of ports all over him, just like he does. And he fits in quite well with the color scheme. That blue hair, and he comes with a little guy with yellow accents. Do I think I'll ever get the other two glyos figures that are in this color scheme? Possibly, but I'm not going to knock myself out trying to do it either because A, they're expensive, B, they're kind of rare, and how annoying is that shit? So yeah, I also have a Microman figure that I've customized into that color scheme. Yep. And here's a Microman that I've augmented to look a bit more like these guys. Give him a little, you know, competition. Yeah, so you could say I really like that color scheme quite a bit. And I do. Yeah, I should probably stop. And I assume if they had a vehicle, it would probably be this thing. Okay, I'm just really pushing it now. Like, subscribe, Patreon, your mom, and good day.